Hello, and we're back in the dark world of Archinax, and in this one, I want to check out Sway. And I did do videos on installing multiple of them at once, but then I realized as for window manager, since they are very minimalistic and they don't have much going on for them, like when they start up, it's really difficult to get them to work without having the knowledge to get them to work together. That's the purpose of this video, to kind of give you guys an idea of how to get a general setup up and running. I won't pretend like I know a lot about this window managers thing. I will be learning as I go. And while I do that, I will be giving you insights on what to look for and by kind of giving a general idea of what to expect from a window manager. And with that out of the way, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you do find these videos helpful. And if you want to support the channel, make sure to check out my Patreon. I do have wallpapers and stuff on there if you want your themes to look absolutely gorgeous. And no, they are free. You can just get them for free. It's not like locked behind a paywall or something. You guys can get it, but show your support on that. Anyway, for anyone who is like getting into a new desktop environment or a new window manager, I do recommend you try it out in a VM. But even if you are doing this on an actual system, I would say use the Arch install. Now, this is something that is very debated, and it's not like the Arch way, and I do recognize that. I do say yes, it is not the way Arch is intended to be used. You have to kind of manually set everything up to kind of make it your own, but that's not the case. The thing that I want to say to people is like, there are like some of you out there who may not have like really great understanding. Like I also fall in that category. Don't have really great understanding of everything. So Arch install kind of simplifies the process where you can just focus on what you want. You know, like let's say, for example, if partitioning, I know that I use ext4 all the time, but if I do want to use anything else, I can try it out from here, expecting that, well, it will probably work. And there's very little chance of me messing it up. But again, like I said, it's always the best to manually install this thing or configure this thing. But for trying it out, I absolutely love doing this with Arch install. And you can share your thoughts. Like someone did say that it's not actually really great to install Arch install. And yes, it does have bugs and stuff occasionally. And you can't blame them. Like every script has occasional bugs when something is updated. Well, so I don't blame them. But I'll show you a trick. I will show you something. Don't worry. If you are a kind of like a veteran and you do not like agree with this method, there is something for you as well. Like these are general setups. So if you are like frowning upon the Arch install thing, I can assume you can set these things up. But if you don't, you can check out my install videos and you can just install the system. And as the part where you have to set up your desktop environment, so let's just go into profile. Let me show you what I mean, like how you can set that part up. So if I go to profile, hit type, and let's say I want desktop, obviously, and here you can see Sway is right here. When I hover over this or when I go to this one, it will tell me what it is actually installing. And here you can see it says brightness, CTL, foot, Grim. So it is using the foot terminal, Gram, power control, slurp, Sway, BG. And it's a great way. You can screenshot this in case you don't understand some of this. It's absolutely fine. And you can check out what each of them does. ArchWiki do provide like really great documentation for every single part of it. So make sure to check that out. I will try to link it in the description. If I do remember. It's really hard to remember a lot. Anyway, so this CTEX is basically how we want to authenticate. It really doesn't matter that much, but I do go with Polkit when I'm working with Wayland, and you can see everything that this will install. And like I said, if you want to do a manual install, you can install it, all of this manually, and generally it should work. And we're using LightDM as the greeter. So we're obviously using LightDM, graphics driver. These are all the drivers. So in case you don't have any drivers, make sure to get this. So that's that. And applications for Bluetooth, I think it does use blues and stuff, but audio, I'm in a VM, but I do recommend going with Pipewire. I'm in a VM, so I won't install any audio. Yeah. Anyway, let's get back. We have kernels. For kernels, I always recommend you go with Linux LTS, as LTS stands for long-term support, so it will be supported longer. It will be a bit older kernel, and by old I don't mean like ancient. It's just a bit earlier version, but it's stable. So if you are intending to use this for a very long time, or if you want to daily drive this, I would recommend go with the LTS, and you can keep both kernels in case one of them fails, so you have a backup. Then we have network configuration, which is how we want to configure network. Now, usually I do love to go with this menu, network manager, and I do recommend this over copying ISO, because network manager will allow you to connect to multiple networks even if you don't have like a GUI for all this. And I'll show you how to connect to the network. So just select that, and although it says GNOME and KDE Plasma, you can use it in almost everything. And if you do select that, make sure to go to additional packages and install the network manager itself, because there is no point in actually installing something if you don't enable it. So let's just do network manager. Oh my god, there we go. Network manager, hit tab to select, and then we can go with I'll get Firefox, why not? There we go, Firefox. And then I will go with git, yeah, and then base dash devil. There you go. These are all the things that I will get. I don't need anything more. Time zone, you can set it up. I will just skip this part, and then I will hit install. For time zone, in case any of you are confused how to do it, you can just go here. You can say, let's say you're in Europe, you can do Europe, and you can just search with the slash key and search for where you are exactly. So that's it. So let me just get out of it. You can press escape to get out. So now if I hit install, and then yeah, so it will just install, format and install Sway for us. So it's a bit convenient. And for these type of videos where I just want to focus on the Sway part itself, and some of you may wonder like how do I install it, and so I just give you a general overview of how to install it or what packages do you need. It's not more of how to install it, it's like what you need to install it. And it won't take too long, it's like 2 minutes or so. So while this is installing, I would like to say, like, if you have any favorite window managers, maybe desktop environments, or maybe even configs that you like to use, make sure to comment it out in the comments below. What? Anyway, but I do read them, and I do absolutely love when you guys reach out and give suggestions. Like, for example, this video is someone told me to try it out, and I'm like, you know what, I am going on a window manager series, so might as well check it out. So yeah, make sure to leave your suggestions, comments, or like even if you have your own personal config, make sure to put it in the comments, or you can join the Discord server. I am pretty active on there, but I don't have too many of you guys to talk to. So make sure to join on there. You can share your config, share your setups and stuff, and we can hang out on there. So make sure to do that. My mousepad is shocking me. Wow, never thought that would happen. There we go. Our system is installed, and at this point, if you are going through this, make sure to go to chroot, and even if you are doing manually, make sure to chroot into your system, because we have to enable the network manager, or else it will not work. It will not work. So let's do that. First, we have to do systemctl systemctl enable, and then network manager. Oh no, the N is capitalized, so network manager. There we go. Make sure to capitalize it like this, and you can, like, there is a thing where you can do service. But usually you can skip that. It will automatically add service at the end in the newer versions. So it's fine. There you go. Now our network manager is enabled, and I think it does automatically enable it, but it's good to check. Now let's do exit, and then we can do reboot. I think I'll do shutdown first. Since I am on a VM, I have to I have to remove the installation media. So if you want to reboot, you can do reboot, and it will just reboot the system. And while it's rebooting, you can just unplug your USB. But I'll just do shutdown. I'll turn it on again. So there we go. So it's turned off. I'll go to here, settings, and then let's just go to settings. And then in here, we'll go to DVD. I'll just set it to none. I'd apply, and there you go. So basically, unplug the USB. Close this, turn it on. Continue. I don't want to revert. There you go. Now we have the system. I did use system deboot, but it's fine. Now there is our system. If I do my password, we're in. So the step one is to see, well, where is the config file? So if I press Windows space, enter, it does open up a terminal. That's amazing. Let me just see if I do Control plus, okay, it does make it bigger. Now, I think I should install NeoVim, which I forgot. That's SYU, and then NeoVim. I would say do SYU first, so to update your system first. Even if it is at the latest version, make sure to do it, just in case. So there you go. Now let's see if I do nvim /.config. There is no config. But if you don't have a config, what do? We go to /user and then share. And then now if I search for Sway, I think I have to go to doc. Yeah, doc and then Sway. There you go. Now I can do sudo. So I think there is a file called config. I don't know. I think I have to check first. Let me just check first. ls. Okay, so there is no Sway here. So where is the config file? That's a really good question. But how do I open app? I think Windows D. Yeah, Windows D allows us to open applications. So let me open Firefox. There you go. It is really fast, to be honest. Let me see. Where is the config file in Sway? Okay, so it's apparently by default in the etc Sway. etc. That's a weird one. Sudo. I think I'll just copy it. First, I'll just okay, and then can I just shift to? There we go. Now that's better. If I do sudo, no, not sudo, mkdir -p /config, because I don't have a config file. I need a config file. And then I think I'll just make Sway as well. There we go. And then I can do cp. I'll get sudo cp /etc Sway config to config /sway. I'll just copy it over there. Now if I do sudo nvim /config sway config, there you go. That's our config. And in here you can see copy this to, yeah, it is saying copy this to .config sway config and edit it in your own like it. So it does ask us to copy it over there, which is great. So now let's see. So mod 1 is for all, mod 4 is for the Windows key. I do know that. And then it says logo key. Anyway, home root direction keys, that's great. And this is the wallpaper. And this is great. It does tell us how we can configure our, basically our, what do you call it? Desktop. I'm so stupid. I meant to say like how to configure our monitor. Anyway, I know for a fact that mine is called virtual-1. Since I am in a VM 192090, that's correct. And position will be 00, as this is my main monitor. If I save this, and now I have to quit out and get in again. I don't know how to quit out. So let me learn that, how to quit out. Can I just search for exit? Okay, yeah. So it is mod shift T. So if I do Windows shift T, there you go. Yes, exit Sway. Now it should, when I log back in, be full screen. There you go. That was easy. So there you go. Now let me go back in here. Let me see if I can configure my default. Okay, so the terminal is foot, and I assume I have a config of foot. So let me see. If I do vsplit, oh my god, vsplit, and then tilde /.com. I think all of it is in Etsy or no. I think it doesn't have any config for anything. So that is weird. And this is the Sway idle. So in case you want to idle it, that is great. Return, Etsy, floating modifier, that is great. Okay, so move our focus. So it is pretty well documented, to be honest. Yeah, it is pretty well documented as to how this everything works. Yeah, I just used this where I shifted the focused window to another Windows if I do 2, and I can just do Windows D to open up Firefox in here. There you go. And what I want to do after opening this, so WT Control Tab W, and then I want to search for Sway dotfile. Now, usually the default config that is here, I think this is pretty much like Hyperland. And the config, you can see status line, background is the color, inactive workspace. I think these two are the opacity value, I think. Oh, this is the bar. So this bar right here. Okay. And utilities, log. Okay, so this is the volume and stuff. But yeah, it is. Oh, we can resize. Okay. Left, down, up, right. Wait. What do you mean by that? Left will shrink the container width. I mean, it ain't working. Am I missing something? I don't know. I can't get it. I can't seem to get it to work. So there we go. Now let me. I'll actually just get a dot file mostly to kind of see how this actually goes. And oh, there is a lot in here. So what is this? Yeah, as you can see, it's a pretty simple setup. And for some reason, like I think it's just for me. Where in Sway, in Hyperland, especially in like Firefox, it's kind of lags. Okay, so it's pretty simple setup. Let me see what else is in here. Is there something else? Ooh, it has a lot and it looks pretty nice. Okay. Let me see if I can get it to install. Wow, there's a lot of packages. So first step, let's get the AUR. So there we go. And you know what I will do? I'll just copy this, open up a new tab with ChatGPT on it. Mostly to kind of simplify the command writing process instead of just handwriting everything. Want to install all these packages. It is easier. I'm just way too lazy for this. Yeah, I thought that too. Like Yay will be way better. So let me just get Yay. So wow, it's so small. Let me do sudo pacman. No, I did get git and base devil. So make sure to check out that video if you don't have Yay. Or slash get clone get. This should work. Yep, I still remember the command. I'll do cd Yay. Mkdir. No, not mkdir. Make pkg -si. And it should install Yay for us. Go for password. And there we go. Yay is installed now. So now, since Yay is installed, let's go. Oh my god, it's blinding. Shift V. Let's see how many we can install. Hopefully everything. Fingers crossed. Okay, it is installing. Do this. Also, the Windows right click to resize does work here as well. So I think it is a general rule of thumb for every window manager, which is great. It's a great for consistency's sake. Wait, did that install everything? That was fast. Now, we need a nerd font. I think I'll go with JetBrains. So Pacman-S. Is there any font that is specified? Oh my god, that is so blinding. I think I should get dark. Yeah, you know what? Even for a simple one, I need to get dark reader because I am not making. It's like 1 a.m. Well, like 1:30 a.m. in here, so everything is so bright. Dark for Firefox. To Firefox. Add. Okay, there we go. And I think dark theme Firefox. Yeah, we're going on a tangent just to make things darker. I'll just get something. Yeah, install this. Whatever. I just need to make it dark. Okay. Thank you. Now everything is dark. Okay. That's way better. Okay, now let's see. Nerd fonts. Okay, so it's saying I need to do dependencies. So nerd font. I think, what is this? Noto Key emoji noto. So these are the things I think that I do need. So first let's get the nut font. We can get the emojis in a bit. TTF dash JetBrains. I think this is mono. Yeah, mono, and then I have to put nerd. Yeah, nerd is the nut font variant, and I think I will also get the mono variant. Why not? And I think that's it. Yeah, I think I got everything. So I'll do this, clone the repository. So let me follow this. Let me go clear, cd, ls. Okay, yeah, we are the root. So first I'll do this. Okay, this will take a bit. Okay, there we go. That is installed. I think I should close this. Windows Q doesn't close it. Windows W. Wait. I think Windows W just merges both of them together. That's a neat thing. I didn't know that. Now, how do I close this? Windows E? Okay, E just switches between like modes. Wait, how do I close stuff? Let me see. Full screen, BNB split set, F full screen. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, Windows Shift Q. Windows Shift Q. There you go. Let me go here. Let me just move this to the first one. Why not? Now let us go through this. Okay, what is this? Install the Firefox theme. Set toolkit legacy version to true. Where do I find this? That is my question. Did I go to settings for this? I don't know where to find this. I need help. I don't know where. Enable this. Oh, it is literally this, which is written there. I just didn't get it. Hold on, let me just do it here. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so copy. Oh, no, not this. I just have to copy this. So copy and then paste it in. There you go. True. Now, is that done? Are we done? I think. So copy this, Control V. Oh, yeah. Okay, first this. So then this. And then, is that it? I don't know what happened, but, oh, what the heck? I have no idea what's going on. Okay, Sway, dotfiles. The font is a bit messed up. I did follow this. If I do ls, sure. Use the, let me just do this and let's see. Okay, so I need the CD. I forgot. I accidentally deleted the CD. Will not take effect. It can help me generate the configuration. What really works is a part of Soy config outside. Should download. Okay, so I need to get into the config. You know what? I will get in the config after I have actually set the config. And I think what I have to do is kind of copy everything over, hopefully. So do I just, you know what, sudo cp dash r. First, let me see if I am at the correct place, ls. Okay, yeah, so we are at the correct place. So I'll just copy everything. Why not? cp dash r dot slash star. I'll do v so I can actually see, like verbose, I can see what's going on. Config, yeah, I'll put it in here. And if I hit enter, it should install everything. Okay, so now if I go to cd nvim slash dot, oh my god, slash dot config, and it this sway. Okay, so config, it didn't change that. I think since it already exists, it didn't change it. Wait, let me see. Yeah, there is a lot in here, so I think I'll try that again. I'll just remove the config. Why not? Oh, okay, so if I do rm, yeah, and I'll try again. cd sway dotfiles, cp, where's the cp command? There we go. Let me try that again. So cd, yeah, there you go. Now let's get out of here. So I copied over everything that I needed. Hopefully let's reboot and fingers crossed it works. If it doesn't work, I won't be much surprised because usually that does happen, especially with using someone else's. Oh my god! Especially with using someone else's config, it might not exactly work the way we want. Like for example, like it is working, but we don't have a wallpaper. Oh my god! Well, I'm in a VM, so so pressing Windows opens this, which is a bit weird, I would say. Wait, how do I open the terminal? Oh, so the main keybind is Alt on this. So Windows is for opening this. I think I'll switch that around. Why is the shell like this? You know what? First things first. Let me fix my monitors. Is the monitors in here? I don't think it is in here. Yeah, I don't think it is. So X. Let me see what is in here exactly. Dynamic wallpaper, live wallpaper, wallpaper, soil. No, I think it is in here. So if I do slash monitor. Okay, there you go. Oh my god. Monitor. So where is the monitor? This is a huge config file where monitor brightness. No, that's not it. There you go. How do I get changes output? Oh, so you can get it like this, but again, like I said, I don't know how I do this. So I need to first fix this. Virtual. So as far as I see it, I think it is kept relatively like simple. Oh, wait. I think I should check out the script file first because it could be that the configuration is in here. Is server soybg find wallpaper. Okay, so it is wallpapers things is just a wallpaper thing. So I will just let's see. Does this work? Oh, failed to execute dot child. Okay, I'll fix this slowly. Let me first do a quick, I would say, log out and log in. And how do I do that? Does this work? Nope. Back to the config we go. Let's see. Oh, also, I would like to change this to Windows as I am more accustomed to it. And as for the app launcher, do I do Roofy? There you go. Roofy. And what is this? Super L. I think I'll change it. I think I'll change it to... Can I do it with Alt plus space? Does this work? No, it's still that. Do I have to? I think I do have to reload it first and then it will work. Let me see. Let me just see. So exit it. How do I reload now? Can I? Is there something that says reload in here? Nope. Exit. Oh, it is the same. So Windows Shift E. Okay. So it is still Alt. So I have to, I think, get out and get in to kind of that for to take effect. Okay. Now we have a full screen. Yeah, now it is working with all space, which is great. And yeah, that should be good. Okay, now for the wallpaper part. Why the heck is there's no wallpaper? Let me open up a terminal. Not this. I think I should see the wallpaper folder. Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, no, that's not. I mean, you know what? Why don't I just how do I open up my what is my file explorer even? Do I even have a file explorer? Let's see. Slash file file manager. Okay, that is do I not have a file manager? I don't know how to use spaces in this. Anyway, let's see. Pop-up, dialog, these are floating windows. I need the keybinds bar. Okay. Terminal is kitty, so that's great. And then what else is in here? Okay, there you go. These are all for terminal. Firefox, Soylog. Wait, there is no way there's nothing that has a file explorer. No. Hold up. This is kind of weird. Like using it like this because I'm not used to this Firefox. Font is a bit weird, but I don't know. Maybe I did something wrong. I'm not absolutely sure, but maybe. So what I was doing? Oh, I don't need to be here. How do I go back? Do I use backspace to go back? I can go here. Let me see. What is the? Don't tell me the file manager. Oh no, Nautilus. There is Nautilus. But I think by default it uses Ranger. Let me see this. If I do Ranger, no, it doesn't. Oh, okay. So sudo pacman. There's Nautilus. You know what? For now, I think. Okay, how do I exit out of applications? Okay, Windows W still merges them together. This is a really neat feature. Like, if I am completely honest, like being able to switch between them like this, it's pretty neat. I like it. I like this one a lot. You know what? I'll keep it like this. Now, what was I doing again? Oh, I was opening my file explorers. So let me see. Not files. Okay, so if I have stuff that is like in there, so if I press Windows W, does it merge this as well? Or do I have to unmerge them and then how do I toggle this to not merge? You know what? I'll deal with it later. Let me go back. There we go. Control H, I think, opens hidden files. There we go. Now if I go to config, what am I looking for? Oh, I'm looking for wallpapers. Yeah, like, oh, I think I should get LX appearance. I need to know how do I close out of applications. There's no SP. I'm going Windows Q. And how do I reload again? Reload. Oh, Windows Shift C. Do I have to be capital Q? Oh, okay. So there is already something using the key. Maybe I'll do Shift Q. It's fine. Shift Q. There you go. Now that works. Now if I do Windows Shift Q, there you go. That closes it. And as for Nautilus, why is it set as a floating window? Is it a floating window? Floating enabled. Dialog, menu, telegram, opacity and stuff is here. I don't know. Let me first go to Nautilus again. Okay, yeah, it does. Do I have anything that toggles floating? I mean, I need to know. Okay, there you go. Windows Shift. There you go. It's so dark. Sorry, light. I'll set the GTK theme first. So sudo pacman -x lx appearance. Oh, where is the theme? I mean, where is it? Let's close it. Where's dot theme? There you go. I mean, I think there is a command that allows us to set theme. Yeah, there you go. I think I can just do cat pushing. Wait, did that just work? Nope. I'll get to this in a bit. I think I spelled it wrong. But what was I doing? Okay, first, you know what? Instead of just control tab, there you go. Instead of just kind of going through it like randomly, let's just see first. Okay, so if I do, what is this? Let me just open this picture first. So wait, what the heck? If I do n, okay, so neo fetch, nope, yay dash s neo fetch, okay, so yay dash syu neo fetch. Does this even work? Also, I think, yeah, there is cover, so Windows Shift D. Okay, yeah, it does work. So if I do cover, hi, it's not installed. What the heck? Oh, I don't have pipe. I should install it. Nope, I will not. Top. Let's see that. What is installed? Okay, yeah, this is looking similar. I don't remember how to switch between them. Okay, there you go. I found NeoFetch. What else is there? Is there a ranger theme? Let's see. Sudo pacman -s ranger. Let's see, ranger. Oh, yeah. It does look a lot nicer. Oh, no, not like I think I can do in this queue. So it is the same style as NeoVim or Vim. What else is there? Let's see. How do I go back in this? I don't know. Do I do backspace? No. Let's go to code. I think I have to memorize all the keybinds to use this. Let's see all the applications here. Let's see, Vita. What is this? Network manager. Roofy, Wayland, Sway, Kitty, GTK theme, Cat Puchin, Fay or IMV, MPV. Oh, wait, echo. What shell am I using? I think this is also why I don't. Yeah. No wonder it's not working. Do I have fish? That explains a lot. My dash has fish. And you know what? I'll switch to it. So sudo chsh -s slash user slash fish. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I need to do this. Yeah. So dash l. Oh. How do I forget these things? There you go. That should do it. If I now close this and open a new terminal, hold on, I think I have to exit and get back in. Okay, let me now fix this. So off.sh, it's saying there is no file. So cd sway.files ls. If I go to what am I looking at? I couldn't install NeoPatch. Yeah. Okay, I'll get to that. Telegram show. What am I looking at? Oh yeah, the off scripts. Where are the scripts? What is Datura? Do I have it? And Datura. I think that's a browser. Isn't that a browser? I don't know. Let's see. Datura. What is this? Oh, something is happening, but what is happening? I don't know. Oh, I think that's what is it? You know what? Since the cat poaching thing is not working, let me just reboot it first. And I don't know where is this off scripts because I can't seem to find it. Because where is it? Oh, I can do Ranger. Let's see if I can find it with this. So I think it should be in Roofy. Okay, there you go. Found it. And so I think it is in here that it cannot find it. I'll just quit out of it. Let's see if I do nvim tilde / dot config and then Roofy. I was seeing Roofy, right? Yeah, Roofy and then launcher. Oh shit. Launcher.sh and in here I have to find what I mean. I think it's in the waybar config. Config. Let's go with one. Let's see what's that. /off.sh. Okay, that's not it. Config 2. I think this is the one /off. Bro, where is that? Where is it like having the issue? Network. Okay, it would be here somewhere. Power menu. Config Roofy power menu.sh. Okay, I think this is where we're having issues. The power menu.sh because if I click this, it can't find the off.sh. Let me see where is this power menu.sh. Wait, what? Nvim config Roofy. Okay, there is power menu. So let me go in there. .sh. Okay, I think this is what's causing the issue. You know, I'll just give it a full location. Why not? I mean, config / Roofy / off.sh. Can you find it now? Yep, now it works. So I think this is what was causing the issue. And there is no logo in here. I don't know why that is. Let me see that. You know what? I'll install every nerd font that is available. Nerd fonts. In case you didn't know, you can actually install everything if it does the nerd fonts. I think it does install everything. Yep. And it's huge, by the way. It's like 7 gigabytes. But you know what? I just want to see if this actually works. Since I got the power menu to work, so that is great. And this is kind of breaking. So I think it is a different nerd font that is being used. So I'll just install everything. Oh, I think it's the emoji thing. Yeah. That could be it. Because I didn't install this emoji. To emoji auto CJK. What is that? Let me just close out of it. Sudo. Wait a minute. Sudo pacman -ss to emoji. Nothing. Oh, to emoji. I'm spelling it wrong. So okay. It's like text live. I don't think that's the one. Okay, so now we have installed everything. Let's say if this fixes anything. So if I do sudo, I'll just do a quick reboot. Why not? So now I just go. There we go. Nope, it is still broken. I don't know what is this logo. Okay. So, yeah. So dotfiles ls. How do I do ls? What? Do I have to install it? Yep. I got it. I get it now. So what was the show now? Fish. So cd fish. Ls. Okay. So plus. I don't know what I'm doing. I have absolutely no idea what the heck is going on right now. Like, okay, so fish is the terminal. I get it. But Wait, let me just go to the root directory, and if I do dot slash, is there any fish rc? Fish rc? No, there is no fish rc. Let me just be sure. Okay, yeah, we are using fish. Is the base of fish? You know what? Let me just config fish, and then there's also config dot fish. What? Nope. I think I am missing some files. So let me just copy this, all of this. So cd sway dot files ls cp dash rv, and then fish slash dot config fish. I'll just copy everything over here. Oh my god, what the heck. So now if I just close this and then open again, this is the thing that's like weirding me out. Like, what is this? Wait. There is, I think that I did see something. If I do ls and then cd, wait, so the background dash s omf. Do I need this? No. I don't know how to fix this. So, okay, let me first get into the config file of this. I think there is something that is missing. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Because is it supposed to be a showcase video and we're debugging this one? So let's see. Okay. So no, there's nothing on here. I mean, functions. Oh, I think these are like commands basically. So that's not it. I mean, fish, conf d. Okay, there you go. OMM fish. I think this is what's causing issue. Oh, I get it. I don't have all my fish. So if I do this and then let's just say, here, oh my fish. Yeah, let's see. So now if I just close this and okay, that is working now. So I have all my fish now. What else? You know what? I won't ponder along it too much. What is this? You know what? It's taking way too long. So I'll save this and oh, wallpaper. No, that is something we have to do. I think there is a lot that needs to be fixed here. I don't know if I did something wrong. So if the creator of this, any of you watching know what the heck I did wrong, let me know in the comments below. And I'm currently liking fish. I think I'll look into that in a future video as to what it is actually. So what was I? Oh, wallpaper. Config wallpaper. There's no wallpaper. Oh, wait, I don't know what the heck is going on. Where is the wallpaper thingamajig? How do I toggle waybar? So Windows. Oh, okay, it just toggles the waybar. That's great. Windows. I changed this. This is spelled wrong. Okay, I think this got broken a bit. Windows restart sway. What happened to the wallpaper? Oh, I think I have to set a wallpaper. Let's see this. So if I do sway.config, yeah, in this part. So let me just get a wallpaper. Okay, I downloaded a wallpaper and let me see files, downloads. Yeah, I think I'll rename it. I'll rename it to wall1. You know, if I just, can I copy the path? Yeah, I can drag and drop it. So, in the shift Q, what I need to do is just yoink this line, and then I can do this, and then just remove this part, and then paste it in. You know what? I can just write it out. Output. There you go, and Windows. Let's see. There you go. Now we have a wallpaper. Wow, everything is really like edge to edge. That's weird. So now if I oh, some icons are here. Maybe if I do a reboot, it will work. Yes. You know what? I will probably stop for today. I have been recording for almost 1.5 hours, and to be honest, it does look very nice. Wait a minute, where did the wallpaper go? Wait, huh? I just set the wallpaper. There is no way. Wait, yeah. Oh, I think it has something to do with the dynamic wallpaper stuff. Hold up. Let me see this. X, yeah. Uh, a live wallpaper. There you go. Do I do CD? Oh, it's a sim link. A broken symbolic link. Okay. So I have to fix it. Oh my god. You know what? Nope. No, not today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Okay, I can do Windows Shift C to get the wallpaper back, but there's a lot to fix. So if you do want me to continue on with this video and kind of, you know what, I'll make a continuation of this, kind of fixing everything and getting a really nice soy setup. And I'll probably try to see if I can upload it for if any of you guys are interested in using this. And for to the original creator, if you do see this or find it, let me know if you do mind me just kind of taking and modifying it. I'll try, and I'll also see if I can make an install script, as I do want to get into bash scripting and stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check out the Patreon to support this channel so I can keep making this type of review type videos with air quotes, obviously. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.